Introducing the 2024 Skoda Scala AMB 1.0 TSI 110 HPD in sleek grey with automatic transmission. Packed with comfort and safety features like Bluetooth, cruise control and lane departure warning, this hatchback is perfect for daily drives. With ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you'll feel secure on the road. The stylish Spoiler and Energy Recuperation add a touch of flair and efficiency. This car comes with a full health check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranties for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more details today.